Hello everyone, my name is Sanderson and welcome to the Drivers Talk Show. Today we are going to talk about investing in a transport business. I understand that most people have had concerns about investing in the transport business because of this honesty by some drivers, and because of that, we are all losing faith in it. But I want to assure you that transport business is one of the best businesses you can invest in. This is why. Now there is always an increased population. Year in, year out, there is going to be an increase in population. And once there's going to be an increase in population, it's not everybody who can afford to buy a car. And because not everybody can afford to buy a car, we need some means of transport for these people who may not be able to afford to buy a car. And that is why investing in transport business is one of the best things you can actually do for yourself. Now, you may be wondering, okay, fine. I dealt with drivers, I dealt with people, and they were not honest to me. They were not, they didn't bring the souls on time, they misuse the car and all that. This is why there are partners. This is why there are car management groups that are best for you to be able to help you achieve that success in the transport industry that you are looking for. One of them is Joe Garden and Transport Services. Now, Joe Garden and Transport Services specialize in car management, and these people are managing over 60 cars for people. They are managing 5 cars for one car owner, six for one another. They even manage EVs, that electric vehicles. So it doesn't matter whether it's a mechanical car that you are looking for to give to them to manage for you, or it's an electric car that you want them to manage for you. All you have to do is to contact them or go to their office at Festus Junction, Pokwase, and then have a talk with them. And they have a very flexible contract. They have a lovely and welcoming staff that will attend to the every needs that you have. And the best thing is, usually for every business, when you have access to the CEO, you know that you are actually having access to the world. Now, the CEO of Joe Garden and Transport Services is always available to you as someone who is investing in their business, or someone who has bought them a car for them to manage for you. They are always going to attend to your needs, make sure that they give you a contract that is very understanding. They have that understanding and give you all the breakdown that you need. They're not going to hide any information from you. You can contact the CEO himself on +233 55 633 5804. The CEO again is +233 55 633 5804. When you call him, he's more than willing to assist you with whatever that you need to make your transport business journey a smooth one. Give Joe Garden and Transport Services a call today, and be rest assured everything will fall in place. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.